Welcome to our tutorial on the IBM i%max built-in function. Today we'll explore how %max helps us find the maximum value among a list of operands efficiently. Let's begin by understanding the syntax and usage of the %max function. Syntax is %max item 1, item 2, item 3, where item 1, item 2, item 3 are operands to compare. They must have compatible data types for comparison. Let's see %max in action with an example. %max, number 1, number 2, number 3, finds the maximum value among number 160, number 271, and number 388. The result is then displayed on the screen, which is 88. As you can see, %max efficiently determines the highest value among the specified operand. That concludes our tutorial on the IBM i%max built-in function. Now you're equipped to use %max to find the maximum value from a list of compatible operands in your RPGLE programs. Thanks for watching our video tutorial on the %max built-in function in IBM iRPGLE by Programmers.io. Stay tuned for more insights and tutorials on our channels. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.